Is it? I'm so sorry. Great learning. Great, guys. Are you able to see the screen, everyone, now? Good. Let me see if we have everyone. 76 people have joined in. Guys, in case, if just wait, let's wait for 2-3 minutes. 77, 79. If it ever happens that it gets disconnected because it's like we're on from morning 10 till evening, there can be a possibility when the Zoom gets disconnected. Hold on to that. I'll relog in within 5-7 minutes. Yeah, so just don't get panic. अरे बंद हो गया ये हो गया, because it's a full day session. Then maybe a possibility कि शायद probably once or twice it may happen. 85 people, another 15, 20 people to come in. Let's just wait for them. So how many of you guys out here know candlestick patterns, guys? People who don't know, good, very good, not needed. Very confusing, I don't know. According to candlestick, it is reversal. Ma'am, can you explain about candlestick? You should not know candlestick. I've searched on technical analysis. That is good for just a certification. It's energy doesn't help in terms of trading. If you yes, Santosh, you have to change the stop loss. You don't have to change the stop loss. Ma'am, which indicator is best to use? No indicator. Okay, I guess we have 90 people in. I think we can begin. Yes? Great. So, now what will be stop loss? 1, 2. Did the stop loss get hit? No. Now the stop loss is here. Did it got hit? No. Are you understanding the beauty and the importance of that one lot that we leave to take that entire move? Why it is important to leave that move? One, two. Got it? Now. One, two. Exit? Yes. Now, in that 1.2% target, how much profit did we took? 500 points, right? Whereas our entry was at 38,000, we exited at 40,200. 2,200 points. And on a target, we must have taken roughly around 500 points. Did you understand where do we exit that remaining one lot? Yes, so we exit one lot and we keep it another one lot when till the time the stop loss gets hit, so that we get the maximum profit if in case it gets hit. Now, please understand why is the rule and why is this system designed in that way. Now, what happens is when we trade, okay? When we trade, Shashank, everything is going to come. Understand what I'm trying to say first, okay? So, when we trade positions, okay, let's say you buy 2 lots. You buy 2 lots and does it happen, okay, all the traders, does it, forget 2 lots, does it happen that, at times when you buy a position, you just take 500 rupees, a small profit and get out of the position and then the stock's like Roxette. Does it happen? You took the small profit, got out of the position always. Yes, yes. Always. Multiple times. Yes, then we remorse. Yes. Right? So whenever it happens most of the time. Right? So many times. So what happens is, I'm sure we all have faced that kind of problem that we just enter into position, take the small profit, and then the stock was like, oh. And then you're like, oh, I wish I would have holded on to that position. And next time, then you'd say yourself, next time I will not book that small profit. And next time when you take a trade, you don't book that small profit, and you hold on for a big move to come. And what happens at that time? Stop loss it, right? And then you're like so damn confused. What do I do? Whether I should book my profit or whether I should not book my profit. So to solve this entire thing, well, what we'll do is we'll trade with 2 lots. And we'll book 1 lot, so that when you trade with 2 lots and when you book 1 lot, mentally it is comfortable that you've booked 1 lot, yes? Yes, so mentally it is comfortable that you've booked 1 lot, and then for remaining 1 lot, then you'll have a discipline to hold on to that position for as long as the trade is on. Now this is 2 lakh rupees, guys. This move is 2 lakh. Yes, every day you are putting sell entry and sell target as with Dhruv. Yes. Are you understanding it, everyone? So did you understand the importance of the remaining 1 lot? Where does that get exit? Thank you, Dhruv. On big gold. Right? Is this clear, everyone? We need to do manually. Great. So, second lot to experiment. It's not an experiment. If you go and backtest this well, you'll always find that the second lot gives you the maximum money. But it is also important that you book your first lot, because booking your first lot gives you enough confidence to hold on to the next positions, right? It's exactly opposite of it. Now here your buy got exited and you're on a nil position here. Your short sell got triggered here. Can you see this short sell? 3 days low. Short sell got triggered. Trade is on. Your target is achieved. Now stop loss is 2 days high. Not hit. Now stop loss is 2 days high. Hit. Hit. Your stop loss got hit here. So short. You booked 1 target and you exit here. Did you make money? Yes. Now again your position is nil. You can start with mini Uday. Now you'll buy above 3 days high here, or you'll sell below 3 days low here. What got triggered? Buy or sell? I'm repeating it any which ways. Buy got triggered. Buy still on. Your stop loss is not hit because of the buffer. Your target is achieved. Your 2-day low is now this. 56.66. You got out of a position here. Did you make money? Yes. 1 lot target achieved. Second lot we exited here. Again you're on a nil position. Buy. Buy, target achieved, and the second lot hit the stop loss. Sell. Sell, again buy. 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 Exit. Exit. Short sell. Three, 2 days high. Again, buy. Sell. Can you see this? It's a massive move. System gave you a short. So last time when we had this impact 1 in March, people took this fall at that time. Are you able to broadly understand it? No. Slow down during a short sell explanation. I will. Okay. Now, everyone, hold on. Let's take, it's 3:17. Let's take 7 minutes break. Or let's take 12 minutes break. 3:30, we meet again. The reason I'm taking this break is what I'm going to teach you guys now is going to be the execution process. And for that execution process, you have to understand. I just want you guys to be with the fresh mind, because that will require thoda logic to be explained. And I want you guys to be fresh. So it's 3:18, 3:20. Let's connect at 3:15 minutes break, 35. 3:35. Okay? Great. Yes, Anil Raj. Not tried, traded on gold. First time I'm seeing a simple way in my 8 years of stock market. Thank you, Anil Raj. That's a compliment. Thank you. We need to have our bag to catch the big move. Yes. I'll share that, Prateek. I'll explain you once. It is very easy and time saving. It is. The day you will understand this style of trading, you will not do anything else. Yes. I'm talking about the execution, guys. Don't worry on that. Everyone will understand it now. And that's the reason I'm asking you guys to take a break so that you come with a fresh mind, because execution requires few understanding of the logics. Does this work for equity also? No, Shiv Prasad. For equity, we will have a different system. Marvelous. Thank you. No, we'll have a different system style for equity. We will be doing a lot of time, Javed. Today, tomorrow, we'll be doing this only. Don't worry. Today, new learning till today I've never experienced. Thank you, Ananta. Super. Wow. Thank you. Yes, few things will change. Yes, for silver. Let's not make buy and short sell in one go. Yes, that's the reason I'm first trying to explain you buy first, and then we'll focus on short sell. एक समझ जाएगा, दूसरा is an exactly opposite of this. Don't worry on commodities. I will tell you what needs to be done for gap up and a gap down. Will you also cover silver? Yes. Gold, silver, crude. We'll do gold today, silver and crude, and equity will be done tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Why can't we go for more lots? More systems are coming in. You can do in the multiple of 2 lots. Can we increase lots number? First step, diversify. Third step, I'll give feedback on third day, 100%. I would love to hear that. SDMAT okay? SBI DMAT, yes. Equity, when will you start? G. Tomorrow afternoon. Yes, I will be talking about portfolio building and stock screener. No, but better than that. Today only for gold. Because gold samajh gaya na, to silver and crude will not take time. I just have to give you the rules. Multi-baggers, day after tomorrow. No, tomorrow. Multi-baggers tomorrow. You love multi-baggers.